If you need to hire a bookkeeper for your business, you may wonder where to start. Here's some ideas to consider to help you make the best choice. You can hire a company, an employee, or an independent contractor to do your accounting. Hiring a company is the best choice if your business is small or you know very little about accounting. Bookkeepers do not have to be licensed in the U.S. However, a bookkeeper who has acquired certifications or is supervised by someone who has certifications shows that they are up to date in their training and care about their career and their clients. Being tech savvy is extremely important for bookkeepers. Ask about the accounting software they support and make sure yours is on the list. Bonus points can be awarded to bookkeepers who have earned software certifications. A good bookkeeper can help you determine the scope of services you need to keep your books accurate, up to date, and in compliance with tax laws and other regulatory requirements. We'd love for you to consider us for your bookkeeping needs. Give us a call or email us to find out more about how we can help you.